Filipino boxer Charlie Suarez will fight for a world title against Emmanuel Navarrete of Mexico. Jamaica Bayaca has this report.
Filipino boxer Charlie Suarez waited 6 years before accepting a world title fight. It was 2019 when he decided to leave the Philippine national team to enter the world of professional boxing. During that time, Suarez recorded 18 wins with 10 knockouts, while he also kept his card undefeated. Charlie has been looking forward for this opportunity for a long time. He said that he will not miss this chance.
Pinagdarasal ko yan ng matagal kasi lahat ng mga boksingero, mga aspirant athletes or gusto talaga makakuha ng yan, sa amateur, Olympics, maging Olympian, and sa pro, maging makalaro ng world title. Yun na to yung chance ko na hindi ko na pakakawalan.
The athlete also promised that he will do everything to make the Philippines proud.
Sa akin, ang bawat laban na ibigay sa akin, gawin ko yung best ko para manalo and para may uwi yung yung title na ibigay sa atin.
The Suarez and Navarrete match will be held on May 10 in San Diego, California, USA. Jamaica Bayaca from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.